Hi friends, I'm showing you this car vacuum cleaner, and you can see that it's very handy, little form factor, very helpful for the cars, for small devices like keyboards and things, or laptops. So this I'm just doing the unboxing and showing what inside the box. So this have this you can see like the different parts in the manual that shows like what parts are there, but it's pretty straightforward operation, that like a simple vacuum. So this is all in the box with two attachments, charging cable and the vacuum itself. So you can see the suction power. Now with the attachment you can fix it like in a brush in the top and then put it in here, or you can use it without the brush and just the first attachment. And this is a HL105 model. So for the charging, it comes with the charging cable. You have to put in a USB or a charging adapter and just put for the charging. So I'm just showing that how is the suction power. It says like it's 900 around, but it just sucks up all the rice in here. And then for the cleaning, just take out this filter, clean it up, and you can also wash the filter and then put it back. For the keyboard, just use the brush thing, and then the laptop stuff is pretty good. Like I can see, like I'm not sure if in the video it's clear, but I can see that it's sucking up some dust from the keyboard and the laptop. It's pretty much handy and useful, like for the car as well. You can use in the sides, but for the delicate things like the laptop and everything, it's work fine and sucks up all the dust and things.